Now take this top section, fold it to the left, and balance the unit. Fold the bottom section, fold it to the right. Now we are going to do the same thing. Fold that triangle down, fold it up to the middle, and fold the point up to that crease. But here is where we are going to take our basket handle and add it. So taking with the cover fold on the inside, put it and align the center crease along with the center crease of the basket. Put it right at the base here, fold up that flap and fold up one more time, and this locks our handle in place. Turn the unit to the other side, fold the triangle down, fold up that triangle, point to the top, fold in half, fold this point back up to that crease that we just made. Now take the other end of your basket handle, bring it down to meet up with this point, fold up, and fold up again.